Hi everyone over there at Two Time Plus. My name is Charles, and I just wanted to shoot you this short video giving you a few free recommendations that you can. Hi everyone over there at Two Time Plus. My name is Charles, and I wanted to shoot you this short video giving you a few recommendations that you can use to start getting more and more organic traffic coming to you without paying for leads, for like Angie's Leads or Yelp or Home Advisor and those other tools. Um, First of all, I just want to say the reason I'm doing this is because I realize business owners don't have the time to research this stuff. There's tons of information out there, but the learning curve is pretty steep. And also, I'm not sure if you realize these days about 90% of people, of adults, search for local businesses just like yours using Google. 70% of those do not leave the front page. So it's important to be there. And I'm going to give you a few recommendations on how to get there. And I will also show you the kind of numbers of people looking for your services. All right, so let's get started. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything that's on your front page, on your pages. All the words, the pictures, the text behind the pictures, etc. I know that I can see you don't have that much content. But here, if I try and save your image here, you see it's saved as a string of numbers and letters. Google picks up on all of that. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text, especially on your front page. By authoritative, I mean text that says exactly who you are, the locations you service, any special offers or anything that's relevant, and what you think people will be searching for. And it's also important to saturate this content with a lot of keywords. Now, just a little bit about keywords. Keywords are those phrases people use to search Google for your services. For example, if I was looking for something that you do, say it's home remodeling in New Jersey. That's a keyword. That's a buyer intent keyword where obviously whoever's looking for that is looking for that service, probably looking to close with a company. So I did some research around your keywords, your service, and especially in New Jersey. I'm not sure if you're only in Sussex, but overall New Jersey. And I use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze websites. It's a popular tool. It's a little bit expensive every month, but it's popular, and a lot of people use it to analyze websites and keywords, etc. It grabs statistics from Google, and they're usually conservative. The actual real results are a little bit higher that you can get from Google Analytics. So you can see for yours, one service, home remodeling New Jersey. I'm sorry, one keyword, 100 people per month search for that. For something like kitchen remodelers New Jersey, there's 450 people per month searching for that keyword. 150 people search for bathroom remodeling New Jersey. Finished basement New Jersey, 150. Home renovation New Jersey, 150. Basement contractors, 100. Remodeling companies, well, this is just Cherry Hill. Now, if you're getting even more local, 100 people per month. Bathroom remodel New Jersey, 50 people per month. Kitchen renovations in Bergen County. I also wanted to say roof repair, Sussex County. I'm not sure if you do roof repairs or not, but 80 people per month look for that. Now, I just took the liberty of looking up some more keywords, but now this is to do with Philadelphia. From what I understand, you can also do, you don't mind looking for work also around Philadelphia. So for these keywords here, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling Philadelphia, there's 200 people looking for that per month, 200 here, 250. So combining all this traffic, I'm trying to show you that there's tons of people who are looking for your services. And if you do online through Google, and if you implement these things that I'm mentioning, first of all, with content, make sure you saturate your website with those kind of keywords so Google starts to put you in front of those relevant searches. I'm pretty sure finding I mean, if you do all these things I mentioned in the video, getting 5, 10 more people will be really per month will be really beneficial for, especially for your niche. Um, so that's content. Next thing is citations, and let's go back to the search here. So when you search for something like a local service on Google, you'll first find ads in the area. Ads are always hit or miss. I tell people, depending on your niche or your location, you might end up paying a lot more because it's all pay per click. And that click may cost as much as I've seen some go $40 a click. So they can actually rack up depending on your niche. However, it's your ROI that matters. So if people do use ads because there is return on ads. I'm not sure if all budgets though don't work for ads. That's what I'm just trying to say. All right, so the next part of the search right below Google Ads is the map pack. And the map pack consists of 3 businesses and the map of the local area. Now, how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? Because if you click on more businesses, you'll see others that with Google My Business profiles, but the map pack is important because it's on the front page. This has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere your name, address, and phone number, exactly as they appear in Google, on your Google My Business page, are cited in different directories online. Directories like Dexnose, Manta, Better Business Bureau, YellowPages.com, SuperPages.com, WhitePages.com, Dexnose, I said Dexnose already, and such various other directories online, Merchant Circle, etc. I have a tool called WhiteSpark, and again, it's a popular tool that I use to like look up citations that businesses have, because what you'd want to do is look up your competition and make sure you have more citations and more relevant citations, so you can be seen right up here on the front page of the map pack. Next part, actually, I took the liberty of just looking up your business, Tool Time Plus Remodeling, and I can see you have about 20 citations. Okay, the next section of the search is the organic listing section, and here has a lot to do with backlinks. Content citations help, but backlinks help the most. And the way to rank higher in here is having more and more backlinks, relevant backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? A backlink is when one web page links to your site. Not all backlinks are the same. If you have a McDonald's that's linking to your site, directing people to you, that may not be as relevant, and Google can catch that. So the more relevant, niche-specific backlinks that you have, and the higher in quality they are, the higher and higher you'll start to rank here in the organic listing section. Now, there are tools out there that you can go and use. Actually, I use, let me take one of your competitors, let's say Garden State Renovate. I use the same tool. It's called Ahrefs, the same tool. Let me now explore the site and let's take a look at the backlinks. This is what I advise you to do, or your SEO or website person to actually look at your competitors' backlinks and the domains, the referring domains, and make sure out of the relevant ones that you are there, that you have the relevant backlinks. Not only that, you want to double or triple the number of backlinks. That's why SEO is kind of a long-term game, because you add and add and add and add organically until Google recognizes you more relevant and puts you higher and higher in the searches. So it's up to whoever's doing your SEO to come in and look at the backlinks that your competitors has. Not all of them are relevant, and a lot of them will be directories and blog posts, but go in and make sure you have the same ones. So with those three things, content, citations, and backlinks, you will start to see more and more traffic organically come to you without having to pay for Angie's Leads or Home Advisor, etc. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Charles, and if you'd like to work together, this would be great. I'd love to be able to help grow your business. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips, implement them, give them to whoever can implement them for you, and I hope you'll start to see more business. Thank you.